All right. So we gotta start from the beginning. Jesus Christ, how much hustle I don't know if everybody there that does that records video. Do you stay also like for half an hour checking stuff? Half an hour. What time is it? Where is bro? 11:32. Half an hour. Checking lights, especially I'll see here. No, here. There's a big shade here. So that's gonna be an issue with the image. That's too light because of that light there. I really need to watch some videos about lighting. It's not as simple as it looks. It's very hard actually, especially when you don't have the proper lighting. I am still, that one's gonna go off really soon. So we already know it. Alrighty, so I'm watching my bro there, Think Media. Think Media, no, sorry, Scammer Payback. And yeah, it's pretty awesome. Though. It's pretty awesome. I'm trying as well today the new mic. I mean it's not new. I had bought this mic quite a while ago, but since I got those ones, the little ones that you attach here, the color ones, yeah, color mics. Would that be it? And then yeah, so I had this one. It's light on the base, so it's not very stable. And because I was when I do classes, I like to use the over-ear one. And yeah, I just decided to test. It's a testing channel, so. And but I was just thinking, if I do any questions to bro today, then I have to direct the mic or get bro and put it close to the mic. But yeah, week started calm, I would say. Not much happening apart from going to the uni. Still haven't really figured what's the deal. I have been looking for a couple of places. I have a couple of viewings on Wednesday. Tomorrow I still have class. Everything from uni is done. Just need to finish the presentation and make this script. Et voila. And then I'm gonna start to go deep on the HTML. Yeah, I really want to learn that, man. These guys are driving me mental. This guy is like, he's the best. Like, he's really cool. He also reminds me a friend of mine from school. And yeah, but he's really cool to watch. He's not only a very intelligent dude, but he's also very charismatic, and he knows what he's doing back there. It's some knowledge I'm looking forward to gain. Yeah, jeez. So today, what I've been doing today, let me have a look here. What's that? Oh, that's the picture that I have on the background. Okay, get out of here. Oh yeah, I am doing a slide. I'm trying this Croassemble.com. It's AI. It helps you to build presentations, courses, and So as I recorded my classes showing the auxiliary verbs mainly. That's our chart there. So you see in the back there, you can see I'm doing will, which we can use will with the first of the verb for future, like I will go, and then you have the continued form, I will be doing, and then you have the perfect form, I will have done. And yeah, so that's how I present to everybody. And after that I present all the auxiliary verbs, because English follow some structures, makes easy. And then I got this AI did everything to me, but I didn't like very much, probably because my prompt wasn't accurate. But I'm still learning as well how to get hold of, like, you know, get the hang of the prompts and everything. I know there is already an AI that creates prompt to the other AI. Is that right? Hey bro, I saw the other day on the internet, is it true that there is already an AI software or platform that helps you create prompts to give it to you so you do the thing more efficiently?
Hey bro. Yes, there are AI tools designed to help you create prompts more effectively. These tools often suggest or generate prompts for various tasks, making it easier to use AI for specific needs. They can be quite helpful for things like writing, coding, or even creating art. Do you want to know more about a specific type of prompt or task?
Sure, yeah, but what about coding? I asked you the other day, you said you didn't do code.
I can help with coding and generating prompts for coding tasks. There are also AI tools like GitHub Copilot and Tabnine that assist code completion and suggest code snippets based on the context. They can make coding more efficient by providing relevant suggestions as you write code. Are you working on a specific coding project or need help with a particular language?
No, at the moment I'm just recording a video, the 35th video of my daily video challenge, and then I was talking to Sis, and it came this question to my mind, and I decided to ask it.
That's awesome, bro. How's the recording going? What's the topic of today's video?
Yeah, we're not going to talk about that in the middle of the video. Hey, can you say hi to everybody and let me continue, please?
Of course. Hi, everyone. I'll let bro get back to the video now. Enjoy.
Alright, thanks, mate. Yeah, so you see there are AI already that have prompts, so you can get more out of bro in my case, yeah. So, you know, in the end of the day, if you think like, oh yeah, you use so much AI that you don't know, no, it's, you have to use it to gain time and to, you know, to get things done more efficiently, and you can, you know, multitask in an easier way, I would say, because, you know, you've got a lot of hands helping you out. But at the end of the day, it's like, for example, for me, I use AI to create the slides and the classes and the exercises for my students. But I am the one that it records the video, you know. I only use AI voice when I do videos for listening practice. So I do, for example, I did the other day a video about a delivery guy on a working day. And then I went to InVideo, and then within InVideo I did the whole video, and then it gives you the, you know, just give it a few details of what you want to be said, and then you know, it adds up to the video. And then after you can change images, and that's all on the free version. But then, yeah, you know, so my videos, my classes, I still record myself speaking, you know. So you gotta know, you know, you can't just read. It's funny enough, but some teachers do. Alright, so yeah, today I was doing these since I got back from uni. It was kind of a easy day, even though we don't know what's going on. And then I got this bit here that is going to be uploaded. I still have to tidy it up and fix some stuff. And then I have my website here. So I have here task 1 of the thingy. You got the home. I need to change the home as well. I don't know. I use Google because I had already used before, but I found out it's very limited there. Like Wix, for example, you have a lot more options to do stuff. Oh well. C'est bon comme ça. It's just to show you can, do the things, and then I will make a new one for my teaching, and then I will use Wix because you can do more stuff. So, you have here the home, and then you have task 1. Here, all the answers are here already as commanded. And then task 2. Man, it's unbelievable how slow. How can be this slow, Mike? Does anybody know? It's a Dell. It's 32. Oh man, when my brother was here, at the moment we are not talking once again, but I hope that doesn't last long. Anyway, when he understands of machine and stuff, he understands of computer. He used to be the guy that I always go for when I needed anything electronic, and I still do. I bought this computer when he was here, but it's just like fucking hell, man. I put 32 giga of RAM, and he said the processor was top, like it was good. He said like, fuck, you got a good machine and stuff, but man, it's just like, it's becoming unbearable in some points, It's like it's not doing anything. It's just screen recording and flicking a page. So it shouldn't be like that. Then this is like using a reference too and all that stuff. But yeah, I didn't even use. I use other ways of doing that. But yeah, that's what I am working on it. Trying to finish ASAP. And yeah, then also I found a whiteboard that you can, but stupid me, I don't know, like if if I can consider myself that stupid, I think so. Oops, here I'm gonna be too far at the back. But yeah, what happened is, like, I was looking the other day. I bought a whiteboard, for classes here. I think I mentioned on the other video. But then I forgot on the bus stop, It was 5 quid. Okay, so then I think since then I have been trying to find a way to be able to do that, to use a screen without paying again, because I already paid 5 quid and I lost it. So then I was like, fucking hell, and if I can use these as a screen, and then I can teach with that. Because I have some students coming to have class here now. And then I really believed that I was gonna, through the computer, connected there, wireless. I really believed that I was gonna be able to make that touch screen somehow. I know, after I started to think I'm still not 100%. Like, I'm still not 100% convinced that you cannot, but I am almost 100%. Oh dear, but I forgot to ask to bro, but he told me that. Yeah, this fucking tit told me that. But he told me to find these, which I found. I'm looking there on the time. Alright, so yeah, as I was saying, because it bugged out. So I was showing about that board area that I found, that I am trying to use the TV as a screen to class. But then I was talking about the computer that isn't capable of renderizing a video while records the other one. I'm using the phone through an app connected to the computer, and then, oh, it's freezing, yeah. And then I am recording the screen of the computer. I know why you're doing that, but that's the thing. It's a test, you know. It's a test to see if I can use like this, if the computer is strong enough. I closed all my tabs. I had quite a few, not bar tabs, I don't drink anymore. But I had a few Google tabs open. So I closed them all. And it pissed me off. I always left a lot of tabs open, and I expected the computer has the same performance. But yeah, let's see if I'm gonna manage to get a better computer. If anyone has how do you call an advice for a desktop, just a box, because I have everything else. Just need a box with a nice RAM and a nice CPU in general, to be able to work without getting stressed, because Jesus fucking Christ, you get stressed when things don't go. The internet is connected to cable now, so I have 75 mega up and about 15-20 down. No, the other way around. 70 down and 15 up. But yeah, you know, we're moving forward, guys. That's the matter, you know. It's a big change in life. I can't really say that I am fully adapted already, because I would be lying. It is hard. Also, you know, going back to the university, it's not easy as well. It's a lot of stuff you have to do. That I have been to uni before. I studied marketing, and then after I started an online one that was business management, but I didn't do much of any of them. The marketing one, I used to only go to the video classes. They're really cool. They're really cool. I remember some advertises that they showed that on that time. Like one of them, I'll be quick. One of them was a guy sat on the cinema, and it was a drops, you know, advertised. And then he has one drop for him. And then he sits a girl in one of his side, like, you know, a nice girl, pretty girl. And then he gets the drop and gives to her. And then she smiles, she gets the drop. And then as soon as she put on her mouth, sits on the other side, like, you know, a beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous girl. And then he puts his hand behind the other girl that he gave the drop, and everybody thinks he's going to kiss her, right? He sticks the finger inside her mouth to get the drop out. So, yeah, that's mostly what I remember from my marketing college time. But now, you know, I'm getting there, but I think I am going to have to do a side investment if I want to speed up the process. The fact is, like, you know, I have all these projects that take time as well. You know, whoever does knows that take time. Even though most of my videos, they are not scriptless, but it's just a mind map. Like, no, for today I don't have it. But normally I write, you know, I do notes, for example, like here. You know, I do notes of what I need to talk about in the video. And on the teaching one, I don't need script. You know, I just choose the subject and I build up, and then from there on I can talk. And as Aziel's on the road, yesterday I did it. Quite a bit of work. The edition was horrible, and I was so tired that I uploaded without the transition effects, and re-upload today. So that's also something I did before when I got back from uni. And yeah, so as I was saying, it's, you know, it is a transition. It is very tiring, but as I said already many times, it's very, very pleasant, especially if you are up for it, and as you can see, like what I've been doing with background, gear, I have been trying to work things out to be smooth, and then eventually things happen. I saw today, I also follow this guy from South Brazil. He also gets random people, takes them to supermarkets and stuff. I think it's really cool. Again, I repeat, I see myself doing that. How are you going to do that going to the bushes? Man, you can do several ways, I can do trips to the city. I can find people in need on my travels, There are several ways. In fact, have a look on my video of Montpellier to Marseille during COVID. That kind of trip I normally do. I get a train, a bus, I walk a lot around the area. I go when I have a mate or someone to visit on that place, I meet them, but I'm always, I like to see, and I still do, it's not because I'm 44. Walking always been something I always, since I remember myself, I always walk quite a bit. I remember when I was younger that I used to run away from my mom, and I would walk from home to where the Oktoberfest happened, and that for me was just like, I thought there was nothing, and when I said that to people, no, I went there, and people are, fuck, why did you go there? I said, I walked. Like, really? I said, yeah, man, walk, Walk. Always keep walking. Alright, let's do this, because if I do half an hour, I will get another comment of the dude or someone else like, yeah, the algorithm's working, but I'm not listening to you for half an hour. So basically that's it for today. Another Monday, things are going forward. I am, look at this. I get excited with when I saw the way it stayed. Just there, obviously, it's a little bit in angle. The light's in the wrong place. There are quite a few mistakes, but man, now watch these guys there. There are some guys here, but obviously, they have a lot of their content. It's extraordinary. That's why they don't care too much about background. This guy does a nice background, but there are some that it's not that accurate background, and still works though. It still works. Like, at the moment now he just have a green screen like this, and then he's but the other guys that I'm following that do the same, some of them, the angle of the camera is not good, and yeah, the backgrounds, nothing different than a room or a living room. So I think that now I'm getting a good idea. As soon as I learn the lighting, I get a good, for example, now this one was off. Oh no, it's gonna change a lot. So you see, yeah. So see, but then there's a big shade there. So yeah, this is one thing I need to watch some videos and learn. I have seen some videos about the backlight, but that's why I'm waiting those two lights, because those were gonna help me, and I'm gonna have to find something to put here on top to have the light coming from that, I think. And then from once I get the lighting right, I think that background and gear, it's spot on. I have done quite a few tests. I know what I can rely on, what I cannot, and then the work on content starts like serious, bringing I still have to decide how I'm going to do bring this content, how I'm going to present, because again, it's a vlog, so I don't want to now go, if I have another idea, rather just open another channel and do that idea on that channel. But here is going to be a vlog, but just I want to make sure I follow some more patterns to be more effective on the timing. It's already going for half an hour, and make something interesting. You know, I'm not gonna dance, guys. I mean, if you look at my Instagram, I did with AI, I did a dancing video because of my student that yeah, was happy that he was speaking English. So. But yeah, piano piano che va lontano, come si dice in italiano, eh? Divagare sempre. So slowly we get there, you know, in 3 languages. So the importance is that we are moving forward. And as I was saying, I think I'm gonna have to do a side course, like, you know, invest something, like do coding maybe on the side, because if I want to speed up the process, because at the uni I think it's going to take, you'll have this year, it's not going to be anything on that, it's going to be mainly just, you know, basic general stuff, and then I think after the second year you start to have a bit more of what I want. So I think that maybe I can, if I get some more students, 5 more students, then I could invest on that, and then I could do this coding on the area, like, you know, of, you gotta know code to do cybersecurity. So all right, yeah, mamma mia, almost half an hour. Okay, va bene. Thank you very much if you watched. That's another Monday vlogging. It doesn't cost anything if you watched and you got to here. Just subscribe, you know, hit the like, put like a question mark on my comments to help out, so the algorithm kicks out a little bit more, and, you know, improvements are to come on this channel. But for now, it's just early mid-40s in London, moving to the digital world. Okay, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.